right, today we're going to be headed to a place that I seen out on W Highway. It looks like an abandoned watchtower, like fire watchtower. So we're going to be headed out there. It is raining today, but we still wanted to get out and kind of explore a little bit. Hopefully it lights up enough where we can throw the drone up in the air and get some drone footage of it. But it'll be a good day. It's going to be a great day. It's going to be a fun day, right, Em? Yeah. All right, let's get to it. We found it, didn't we, Em? Yeah, bandana. What do you think, Em?
Good. Oh, there's trash around it.
Yeah, it's not really taken care of very good. But as from what I know, a lot of people party out here, so that's probably why there's a lot of trash out here. Unfortunately, there's a lot of trash, a lot of beer cans, and definitely a party zone for sure. Wow.
It could be because people...
What, people are ignorant?
And there's a campfire.
Yeah, there's a campfire right in the dead center of it. Yeah, I'm gonna flip you guys around. There you go. We're underneath it.
That's good.
Putting your boots on finally. It's kind of hard to see out here, right here, because you know, there's a lot of trees in the way. But there it goes right there.
And then there's very end of it. Daddy.
Yeah.
You know what we could do?
What could we do?
Oh, no.
You don't know?
No, I forgot.
Anyways, a lot of trash. All these little bottles and stuff here. Come on, guys. Seriously. You guys aren't cool, just so you guys know. You guys are not cool. Coming out here, getting plastered and whatnot, and then leaving your trash all around.
There's trash everywhere.
Yeah. Yeah. Should be ashamed of yourself with how much trash is here, guys. It's freaking crazy. Anyways, here it is. We're going to try and figure out, maybe do a little walk around. Try to figure out maybe a place where we can, I guess, see it a little bit better. I don't know. Anyways, we found it.
I love turtles.
Found a little friend on the trail. What do you think, Em?
Huh?
Said found Gerald on the trail?
Yeah.
Yeah. We're going to get Gerald off the trail. All right, so we were going to take this part of the trail here. And it's on X. I think it's definitely doable. I just am not confident that there's a place to turn around at the end. And this is a very narrow trail anyways. So we're just gonna keep exploring. We're gonna skip this one out. Maybe one day when it's just me and my wife and I don't have all my kids, we'll do it again. We're gonna skip out on this one. No more? Banana, banana, it's lunchtime. So we stopped for lunch right here. Chicken wrap. Anyway, pretty good. Look, if you ever see a quick lunch idea and you just want to hurry and get on the trail, Walmart and their wraps. This is a Southwestern chicken wrap. So good. Anyways, we finally made it to the end of this little trail that we found. Hopefully by the time we make it back to the fire tower, there won't be any rain left. But right now we're going to enjoy our lunch, enjoy some time just exploring out here. And we'll catch you then. So we just finished up our little trail run for the day. I think we're going to do another one on Monday, Memorial Day. But it was great. It was a good video. It was not a good video. Well, it will be a great video, obviously. Anyways, but it was a good trail. It was short. It was sweet. It was a good time just getting out and having a little peaceful trail ride with a family. And I would recommend it to anybody. I mean, you can do it in pretty much any vehicle as long